Hey, what's up guys, CJ here, and today we're talking straight to the videographers and photographers who shoot weddings and maybe other events, but I want to talk about two pieces of equipment that really changed the game for me and made things go by a lot smoother. So I wanted to talk about these pieces of equipment because I have a wedding coming up. Actually, I'm leaving for one today, and that just reminded me of these pieces of equipment that I had to put into my bag. So I just took them out of my bag and I'm like, hey, let's talk about these things real quick because it can really help you out, because it really helped me just make my day go by smoother and not have to worry about as much. And as you know, wedding days can be hectic, it can be crazy. It can be, overwhelming and all that stuff. But when you can add things that make your day go by a little bit better, it makes you feel a little bit more relaxed, makes you feel a little bit less hectic and, like you're running around. One of the biggest things is communication when you're at a wedding or at some type of shoot, and you need to talk to the people who you're working with. And we did the phone thing for a while. Hey, just call me or text me when you need me. Just let me know when the bride is ready, and you can just, call me when they're ready. Well, a lot of times you're in the middle of shooting and you don't feel like picking up your phone, or you just don't have your phone around you. You're just, you're so in that moment and you're trying to make a good film and do the best job you can. You don't feel the vibration in your pocket or something like that. So one thing that really helped us out was these walkie-talkies. These were actually very, very cheap. You can get these for like under 30 bucks, if I'm not mistaken. Everything is in the description box below, but you can get these for very, very cheap online on Amazon. They come with the headset, so you can put this right in your ear. You just turn this on, get on the same channel as whoever you're working with, and you can, talk to them all day long. Just press this little button and you're good to go. I didn't realize how great these would be until we actually used these on an event where we were on a farm. And we were very far apart in different buildings. And I want to say we were probably about like half a mile apart. And we were able to communicate with each other and let each other know where we are and what time that I need to be over there and what time she needed to be over here. And it just really worked out. So check this out, link is in the description box. And that really just helps with communication. The other thing is, if you shoot with anything that involves batteries, like right now I'm actually recording with a Zoom recorder, and this thing requires batteries, especially if you're being portable. It does have a DC USB port in here, but a lot of times you don't have an outlet. A lot of times I'm on shoots and the battery is dying, so I need extra batteries. Or say you're shooting with flash and flash requires batteries. Well, you don't want to have to buy batteries every time you go to an event. So one of the things that I invested in was this EBL charger and some Amazon batteries. Yeah, this is an EBL 9-volt battery as well. So you can buy an EBL 9-volt battery, and with the EBL charger, you can charge up to about 10 different batteries on here you can charge at one time. So I have 4 here, I have 4 more, which I'm using right now in the Zoom recorder. And then you have 2 more here that you can charge. And this way you can just pull these off at any time for an event and just plug them in, and they're fully charged. You don't have to worry about the batteries dying. They're fully charged for that event, and you can just work off of this. And also you can take this with you to the event and plug it in somewhere and just let things charge. I use the 9-volt battery for my Rode microphone, my shotgun mic. It takes 9-volt batteries, which is sometimes it's hard to find. Sometimes you can't find a 9-volt battery at a gas station near you or something like that. So I like this. I like to have a battery that's rechargeable, that I know is fully charged. I throw it in there. I don't have to worry about it dying throughout the event. And the same thing with my other equipment. I don't want to think that it's going to die or worry about it dying during the event. So having a charger like that definitely makes me a little bit better, a little bit more at ease. And that way I can worry about other things during the event that may, be on fire or, or crumbling down, how events go. So what I ended up doing was I bought the 9-volt batteries separately, and you got to make sure you get these exact batteries. These are the heavy duty or high volume rechargeable battery. Make sure you get these. I have a link in the description box. The Amazon battery here is pretty affordable as well. So I'll have that linked in the description box. So I bought these separately. So you buy the charger, you buy the battery, and then you buy the AA battery separately. So I have all those linked in the description box. If you guys have any questions about any of this equipment, let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.